And this is a Lightning edition. All right, this is Supervisor Scale Deluxe. This is the main board. It's computer boards. Actually, we can also use a system. If I am the player, give the cashier $20, 25, and then the cashier will recharge the $25, and then give me a ticket. This is a 25. If I am the player, I will scan the paper to any machines. Okay, 25. So it needs a hand count. So I play 5 spin or 10 spins. Later, I can redeem credit. So let's wait. Okay, there is no speaker, so there is no volume here. Okay, now an exit. Hand count 20 already. So if I am a player, I will go. Okay? Yes. Then the credit is gone. The paper come out. You see? So 21. So I played some spins. That's why there is only 21. Okay? There is only 21. So people ask me how wires connected. Actually, the Aurora boards or the Fusion boards or the Lightning edition, the same wiring. Okay, so like we told you, here is the scanner. The cable is connected to the two connectors. Okay, position.